Okay, this is for the ocean view lover. Costa Rica Southern Pacific Zone. This has got to be one of the nicer ocean views. I'm going to just pan here to show the panorama of what there is. I'm on the back side of the property. I want to see if I can get this. Out on the horizon is the Isla Caño Island. And it's a little hazy, but there it is. And then down here we have the Tres Hermanas, three sisters. And from this vantage on the building site we cannot see the Roca Ballena, but I can just step over a little bit here in a minute and show that. So you can see it's expansive, and we're also going to end up over here with what is about to be a pretty nice sunset. So that's the panorama of the ocean view, and I think for sunsets here from this property you'll get about 8 months out of the year. There's the Tres Hermanas. Oh, I'm sorry about the jerkiness here. And that is the Roca Ballena. So you get the both of them in your view. So it's not just water. You actually have some nice features in the ocean view on this one. And again, nice sunset in progress. Here's what the property looks like on this one, the building site. The car is coming up the drive with its nose just getting onto the building site. So we've come up from the main entry and give you an idea, give you an idea of the size here. Ready to build, all services in place. I hope the sounds are coming through on this. We've got parrots and howler monkeys. Okay, so all of this is nestled into pretty good Costa Rican jungle, full of wildlife.